Who's that? Is that my bean? Is that my bean? My big girl? Feisty. Hey cereal fans, welcome to a Marbits edition of Cereal Wednesday. Today I'm going to talk about Nature Valley 100% natural chewy yogurt granola bars with a naturally flavored yogurt coating. In other words, they're chewy granola bars with yogurt on them. This box has a variety pack of 2 flavors, strawberry and vanilla. So I've already actually pulled out one of each so that we can speed up the process. I'm gonna try the vanilla first because once you try strawberry, your mouth just tastes like strawberry. And I tend to like strawberry better than vanilla, so I want to give it a fighting chance, you know? So this is what the bar looks like. It kind of smells like nothing. Sure is chewy. Wow. It's sticky. Couldn't really say that the vanilla tastes like vanilla. I don't know. It just tastes like sugar. I'm not sure I really like that one. Let's try strawberry. Strawberry. Same top, pink bottom. Smells like strawberry. Oh, holy. As I predicted. Way better. It's like having strawberry Nesquik with a chewy granola bar. That's sticky. I could kind of do without the granola bar actually. Just want this part. Alright. Before this becomes an R-rated film here, let me talk about the ingredients. Serving size is 1 bar, either vanilla or strawberry. It's just 35 grams. Calories in the vanilla and the strawberry yogurt bars is 140. And 4 grams of fat per bar. 2 grams of saturated fat, by the way. Cholesterol 0 milligrams in both bars. 95 milligrams of sodium in both bars. 26 grams of carbohydrates in both bars, with only 1 gram being dietary fiber in both bars. Sugars is 14 grams in both bars. And protein is 2 grams in both bars. Calcium is 10, both bars. Iron's 2, both bars. And there's no other vitamin or mineral listed. The ingredients list is broken out per bar. There's the strawberry ingredients list and the vanilla ingredients list, and they each have their own set of allergens. But the crazy part is that the font is so weird, I can't read that very well. Oh my goodness, you should go to the website to read the list of ingredients. Like, my eyes can't even focus on this. I can see that whole grain oats is the first ingredient, but they try to cram way too much info on the side of this box. If you're gonna have a variety pack, use your real estate. I know you want to advertise other stuff on the back, but I can't read this! And I need to be able to read my nutrition information. It does say for strawberry ingredients, the allergens listed are wheat, milk, and soy, and may contain almond, peanut, and sunflower ingredients. And guess what? For vanilla, contains wheat, milk, and soy, and may contain almond, peanut, and what was the last one? in the sky, down low. Sunflower ingredients. Same damn thing. Sorry for kids that I just said damn. Again. Twice. But it's only because I love you and I want to teach you swear words, just like my brother did when I was little. So, granola is the first ingredient in both. Oh my god. I seriously want you to see. I'm going to take a picture of this so I can put it up on the website so you can see how ridiculously small this font is. Strawberry is the clear winner. 5. No, I can't do. I'll do 4 bowls for the strawberry because of the amount of allergens and the small font. No, 4. For vanilla, oh, that was gross. I'm going to go 0 because I can. So 0 bowls for vanilla. 4 for strawberry. That has been Nature Valley Chewy Yogurt Granola Bars, Strawberry, and Vanilla. I'll see you the next time I see you, because if I say in a week, it might not be a week. But you know I love you anyway. Have a good one.